Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. So the project title name is IoT-based smart bin ESP32 GSM SIM 800L GPS location SMS alert. So IoT-based smart garbage monitoring system. Power supply 5 volts power supply, ESP32 module, GSM SIM 800C we are using, RX TX 0 and 1, serial communication 1, serial communication 2, it is connected to the GPS module, ultrasonic distance measurement module, it is connected with the trigger echo, 16x2 LC display, it is connected with RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, 23, 22, 21, 19, 18, 5, and so there are 4 LED indicators, low, mid, full, empty, low, mid, full. Those are connected with 14, 12, 13, 27 pin numbers. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. So it is connected to the power supply board, bridge rectifier, filter, capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED. So 5 volts power supply board. So here we are using one GSM SIM 800C we are using. Press it, that SIM card will come. You can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. Okay, slowly insert the SIM card. Okay, lock. GSM SIM 800C. LED indicators, 16x2 LC display, character LC display, ESP32 module. It requires Wi-Fi hotspot mobile data. Project 1234. So GPS module, GPS antenna. Okay. So here we are using ultrasonic distance measurement module we are using. Okay. So it requires mobile hotspot internet. So we have to give the mobile hotspot internet data. So go to mobile data on, hotspot on. So giving the hotspot, open that project 1234. So once hotspot connected, it will show you the ESP32 Arduino, then IoT based smart garbage bin. Whenever the hotspot is connected to the device, small letter project 1234, monitoring data, GPS, wait for GPS. So it will take at least 1 to 2 minutes for checking the GPS location. Once GPS came, then it will go for the GSM module. Yeah, 00 came. So there is a reset button is there, onboard reset button, enable button. No devices. Once device connected, it will show you the ESP32 Arduino. Dot. Waiting for the connection. I am pressing the reset button. Yeah, ESP32 Arduino. So here is the enable button, EN button. So IoT based garbage monitoring system, GSM, GPS, onboard GPS LED is blinking. Okay, so we will get latitude point, longitude point, latitude value, longitude value, GPS is okay. Initializing GSM modem, initialized successfully. So we will get the SMS alert and it will update the data. Wait for the data. So garbage bin low, so low LED, so it is totally low. So after 10 counts it will complete it, then it will update the data onto the server. Second count. Yeah, it is now low. Okay, low bin. Okay, yeah, 25%. %. Okay, Okay, 70%. Okay, it was updated. Now the time is 28 date 11th month 2024. Okay, so now I will add the second garbage 4. So I will go for the final. It should be a flat. Okay, it should be flat. Okay, so garbage bin full, then garbage bin full. Okay, so message sent. Yeah, SMS received. Open the link. Just once. Okay, it will show you the exact location. Got it. So this is svsembedded. Okay, so garbage bin full. Okay, power supply board, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply board, ESP32 module, and GPS module, GPS GY6MV2 GPS module, GPS antenna, 16x2 LCD display, 4 LED indicators, empty, low, mid, full, and GSM SIM 800C. So it will send the data to the predefined mobile number, 2 SMS alerts. Okay, so 2 mobile SMS alerts. So this is our block diagram, and it will update it onto the screen. Thank you.